Hello, I'm Virginia, and today I want to show you the magnetic board kit that I bought. It's almost too big to fit in the camera, so I'll have to do some maneuvering. I'm a Stampin' Up independent demonstrator from Edmonton, Alberta, and a lot of people have been showing these, so it's not going to be new to you. I haven't even opened it yet. How do I get it open? So much for this box. Oh, keeping this one again. There we go. Oh, goodness. Okay. That. Okay, and here's the board, and it's magnetic. It's got a film on it. I'll take that off in a minute. And this is what's in it, or it goes on it. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I've seen other people unpacking these, so I sort of know what's in it. Oh, look. So you can choose your papers, the backing papers for it. And here are the, looks like a little shirt. These are the little accordion style folders for it. Now somebody suggested taking a tracing of them to use as a template so that you can change them out for the different seasons. For instance, doing them in Christmas paper or something like that. And what I want to do with mine, though, is I want to make a vision board or a goal board. And so that's what I'm going to do with mine. So I'm still going to make a template, I think. Here's some tear and tape to put the little pockets together. So much for that. It's gone. And here are different cards. And the backing. Oh, you can put calendar. So in a goal, for a goal, you could put different dates for your goals. You could write out your goals here. Oh, you've got two of each. There's more places to make a list. Another one. Oh, that's pretty. Here's another one of flowers on it. You could color those. Oh, here's a list. Oh, you could make a list of your goals. That would be good. Oh, here's some more. There's the green ones. Oh, and this matches the same pattern as the backing paper. There's some pink ones. Another ledger type thing. Oh, and we've got
She's got a wooden house that says Her Majesty on it. And then
so my daughter's talking to me here.
Oh.
And we've got labels that are in different
Yes.
languages. Oh, happiness is in the journey. Grateful, love this life. Celebrate today. Today I'm creating. Remember this. You've got this. And create this week. I don't have to read them all. And how many have we got of these? Oh, there's one each. There's English, and Dutch and German, I guess. And I guess there's French. Yeah. So there we go. And then to hold this all together, where are they? We got some magnetic clips. And there's no reason why. Let's take this off. Throw it on the floor. They're quite. Oh. Let's put the magnet side down. Works better. There we go. Huh, no wonder it wasn't sticking. There we go.
You should tell him about Billy Speaks.
About what?
Billy Speaks.
Yeah, Sarah that came out talking about a cat that has buttons that she pushes when she wants something. There, so. And then these get folded. You can see the score lines. It's like an accordion fold. Depending on what side, I think I want this side out. So we'll do it this way. There you go. Stick them like that. So fold like this, and then like this, and like this. Might as well put one together. And I'm going to do a video shortly when I gather my things that I need, how to make this into a vision board or a goal board. And the nice thing about it being a magnetic is you can change things as your goals change, or if you reach your goal, you can take that one off and add another one. And because it's not glued down, they're changeable. All the air bubbles out. There we go. I don't have fingernails anymore. Whoops. Put them together like this. Whoops, not like that. What I'm doing here. There we go. Which one? Oh, this one. There. Some pockets there, and it comes with instructions just in case you need some as to how to put it all together. I think these little things could be colored. That'd be pretty. All right, that's the end. That's all there is for now. I'm going to make a pattern of this and to keep them all together. And then I'm going to gather up some things that I need to make a vision board, like dates and different pictures of things I want. Like we would like to move into a house maybe, or a larger apartment or something sometime soon, so that might be on my goal. One of my goals. Or go and visit Prince Edward Island again, which is where I grew up. I haven't been there for several years now. It's about time I went back. But we'll see. And you can change these out too. You know, once you get them in, there's no reason why you can't change your mind and put a different pattern out. I don't know which one I want to use. This one looks like it might be going somewhere. Those could be roads. Anyway, so there we are. That's the magnetic board clip from Stampin' Up! And I will put the link to it below the video in case you want to buy it for yourself. I think it would be lots of fun. And there's something else I want to show you. I was found... This won't mean anything to anybody except to me, but you could use the same idea. I was looking for pictures today. My brother asked me if we had pictures of the front of the house where we grew up, and I found pages of a book or a story, history of our family that my grandmother had written, and I'd forgotten all about it. And so I think I just had the idea a little while ago about making an album just for this, and you're making it one of these flip fold ones. Like I made this the other day for a friend, so I could make one of these not so fancy, just have a few flip folds in it, and have this out where I can see it. Some of the writing in it is incredible. She's talking about her father called to the new bank manager in the Bank of Nova Scotia in Charlottetown. He says, "Good morning, sir," he said. "Welcome to our island. My name is MacLeod." "Now, which of the many MacLeods are you?" the newcomer asked. And when told, he said, "Yes, indeed, I have heard of you, and I am proud to know you. You are the 30-day MacLeod. My grandfather was a storekeeper in a little community called Eldon. And at the time when he was growing up, it was called Crossroads, because the roads actually there was a cross, and his house was here, and the store was across the road. And he made sure that he paid all his debts on time, and he also made sure that all his patrons paid their debts as well. He didn't believe in giving credit, but he was very nice about it, and he was kind, but he made quite a reputation for himself as being fair. And so for the bank manager in Charlottetown, which is like 25 miles away from 25 miles at the time they were using miles, 25 miles from Eldon, that was quite a good reputation. And Granny said, "If father had been a peer of the realm, it would not have given him any greater satisfaction than this compliment to his business honor." But I love the way she wrote. I think I'm going to make an album of it and keep it where we can read it more often. It's so nice to have bits of your history that you can see. Anyway, so that's all there is of that for the moment. And yeah, and I'm going to make this. I'm going to make another video very shortly once I gather up these things to make a vision board using this new magnetic board that Stampin' Up! Has put out. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Well, I just realized I forgot to show you something. At the bottom of all these sentiments were the flowers and things to use for... There's borders and an arrow and watercolor washes, I guess you could call them, to decorate the pockets, and I suppose you could put them on. See, this one has got this journey on one of the cards, and the pockets have been decorated with these. And they've got lists here. Anyway, but I forgot to show you those. And I was looking at the instructions again, and I realized that I hadn't seen them. They were at the bottom of the stack. So I had to I had to come back and add that in. And also, to say that the little story about my grandmother's story was a total aside, got nothing to do with this magnetic board at all. It was just, I was so excited about it, I just had to share it with you. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye bye.